In our rapidly evolving world, the idea of the automobile is no longer just about getting from place to place. The car has transitioned from being a necessity to a symbol of luxury, a showcase of personal style, an extension of one's identity. Today, we're about to introduce you to the new Bentley Batur-themed model, which is defining the luxury in modern automobiles. So, are you ready to witness the future of luxury automotive innovation? Then let's get started. The colors, materials, and finishes of the new Bentley models have taken inspiration from the cosmos for their exciting specifications, using space-age materials and finishes. Bentley has found an alternative to carbon fiber, which, while famously extremely strong and lightweight, is not considered a sustainable material. The automaker claims that newer, more natural alternatives to carbon fiber are now possible thanks to high-performance composites made from flax, a sustainable superfiber known for being strong and incredibly lightweight. This new material has proven to be perfect for use throughout Batur and is already found in the exterior body kit and interior surfaces of new vehicles. Bentley says that leather will be sustainably sourced wherever it is used, thanks to a production process that uses less water and aldehyde than traditional tanning. It is also expected that there will be an option to select traceable leather with low CO2 content, something that is currently only possible in the low volumes involved in coach building. Bentley seems to be seriously committed to producing sustainable and environmentally friendly vehicles. That's why if you opt for a sustainable and vegan option, you can select leather-like textiles made from byproducts of the coffee roasting process and stunning carpets made from recycled yarn as an alternative. Among the new advanced finishes available to Batur customers, you'll find 3D printed 18-karat yellow gold and titanium pieces featured in the cabin. As the members of the company state, the only limit is the imagination of each customer. What are the new themes available? Currently, there are 4 new themes available that have Bentley fans excited. Of the 18 cars that went into production, 16 are already in the specification process. We will take a look at each of these new themes to see what surprises the brand has prepared for us. Let's start with the first theme, the Nebula. Bentley describes the Nebula as a bold specification that moves firmly towards a performance-centric feel, with dramatic contrasts of black against vivid greens on the exterior and interior. The exterior paint of the Nebula-themed model, known as Wasabi, was designed to make the drivers of this stunning vehicle the center of attention. Likewise, the body kit features an elegant gloss black crystal finish detectable only by the trained eye. Inside, the rolls of green and black are reversed for a stunning guitar fade in the laser-etched fascia from gloss black to gloss carbon fiber. It's virtually impossible not to be mesmerized by Nebula's innovative and exquisite color combination. We now turn to the second theme, the Supernova. The Bentley team knows that a vehicle's color should represent its driver's essence and personality. That's why they didn't just use any ordinary color scheme. Instead, the new Supernova combines the fiery sunbeam paint with a body kit that features Atlantic pearl crystal accents to create a dazzling contrast. Its refined cabin is upholstered in a vibrant combination of indigo night, beluga, ceramic glaze, and hyperactive, making it the only model with a 4-color interior. Of course, we can't forget to mention other details that make the Supernova one of our favorite themed models. It offers an incredible fade from gloss black to gloss natural fiber on the laser-etched fascia and includes a full titanium package with machine detailing around the cabin. If you want to escape traditional colors and drive something innovative, fierce, and packed with style, you need to have this new themed model in your garage. Next up is the Hyperspace. This themed model was created to evoke a sense of speed even when the car is stationary. The Hyperspace is the best choice for fans of speed, space themes, and collector cars. Its deep metallic day-bright blue exterior color contrasts with the St. James red accents on the grille, body kit, and red brake calipers. For that reason, it offers a much bolder color scheme than the other models, but that's why we like it so much. As for its cabin, the Hyperspace model enjoys a rich darkness provided by its leathers, fascias, and fabrics, punctuated only by pillar box red stripes, as well as by the 18-karat gold Bentley dynamic drive selector and the central steering wheel stripe at the 12 o'clock position. Speaking of space themes, we have the Dark Matter model, designed to convey an elegant and sophisticated feel. If you're one of those who love dark colors or want to arrive at a business meeting in style, you'll definitely love this model. The Dark Matter theme features a 2-tone paint job, fine Brodger and black crystal, But if you look closely, you'll see a pop of cyber yellow adding a touch of spacey to the front grille and lower spoiler. The cockpit of this themed model is upholstered with some burnout oak leather and surrounded by a soft, shiny graphene ring that will take your breath away. The dimmed interior graphic blends seamlessly with the black anodized aluminum accents and some fine beluga black accents. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey through the 4 new Bentley Batur-themed models. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. With models like these, Bentley's future as one of history's most luxurious, elegant, and unique vehicle brands is more than assured. We're excited to see what Bentley will do next, and we're glad that more attention is being paid to the needs of eco-friendly drivers. And who knows, these themed models could be the first step towards a more environmentally friendly automotive industry.